In this video, I'll show you how to download and install WPS Office on your MacBook using the App Store. WPS Office is an Office app that lets you create and edit documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF files directly on your MacBook. To get started, go to the dock at the bottom of your screen and open the App Store. If you don't see the App Store in your dock, press Command plus Spacebar on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Then type App Store and press Enter. Once the App Store opens, click on the search box on the left side of the screen. Type WPS Office, then press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, look for WPS Office. Once you find it, click on it to open the app page. Now click on the Get button to start downloading the app. If your Mac asks for confirmation, enter your Apple ID password, use Touch ID, or approve the download with your Apple account. After that, wait for WPS Office to download and install on your Mac. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch WPS Office. When the app opens, you can sign in with your WPS account, or continue with the available free features if the option is shown, and that's it. WPS Office is now installed on your Mac, and you can start working with documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF files. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you install WPS Office easily, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.